So we are currently on the new Champlain Bridge, and there's traffic on a Saturday morning, which is very frustrating. But what I thought would be really important to record is the old Champlain Bridge that's being taken down. The sky is quite beautiful. Wow. Can we get back to the bridge? Still, very beautiful sky. Did you find this fascinating, Roman?
Yeah. How do they bring the big pieces there? How do they bring the big pieces?
Which big pieces? The pillars?
Yeah, well, not the pillars.
Because they're knocking them down. You see what they're doing?
Yeah, I see.
Look, they have, I think what, yeah, how are they doing this? Because they've got the rocks down below. So they're breaking it apart. Wow. It's pretty impressive, huh?
Yeah, for sure.
Gosh. You know, I'm kind of sad in a way. It's weird to have things that you remember from your youth being removed. Just makes it feel like your past is disappearing as well.
What do they do with the extra stuff?
Well, they're probably going to use it like in other construction. They'll use it like as a filler. The metal will definitely be recycled. But this is the part that I find phenomenal. Look at that. I mean, you still have the road, man. This is the road that we would travel on. Doesn't seem that big, eh?
Yeah.
It'd be great if they had like a car and they drove it off the edge. That would be exciting.
Yeah.
I'm surprised that that's not being done. Like, this would be a wonderful opportunity for some kick-ass scenes in an action movie. You understand what I mean?
Yeah, for sure. Like the James Bond movie.
You know he dies at the end. Did you know that?
No. I'm not surprised.
Did I ruin it for you?
No. I don't watch James Bond. It's not interesting to me.
What?
Yeah.
You're gonna tell me that Casino Royale wasn't one of the most exciting movies you've ever seen? Do you even know what
He
Casino?
gets like poisoned, right?
Yes.
I mean, I watched it when I was young.
Shaking our heads, sir. Does it look like I care? That was fun. They had fun with the classic lines, the classic dialogue. My God, the sky is beautiful. Anyways, that's it. So soon, all of this will be gone. It will just be a memory. And then nobody will ever remember that this bridge ever existed. Happy thoughts.